Sound. Oh, yeah. Sound. Oh. Sound. Sound. Do you hear what music plays? Do you hear what song says? The music is a mix of feelings. As we listen to it, comes the feelings. Yes, it is what we found in heaven as you see the ground. Sound, music, songs, instruments, composition. Sound. So you hear the beats, you hear what repeats, the pumping of the heart from this sound. Yeah, listen to the sound, loud, low, everything around. Sound, a song of time, a song of rhythm and rhymes. As you hear when it creates in your feelings, it surrounds. Listen to the sound. Instruments, composition. As you appreciate every feeling it generates, every ways makes you feel, and what relates comes and goes. You hear the sound. Every second, every minute of music, that sound. Yes, it is what we found in heaven as you see the ground. Sound, music, songs, instruments, composition. Sound. So you hear what beats, you hear what repeats. Oh.